Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to change username on your Twitter account. Before we get into our video, the Twitter has changed its logo into the X mark recently, and the name is also the X. Now, since we know that, let's get into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Twitter app. Once you open your Twitter app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, you'll have to tap on your profile icon that is located on the top left hand side corner. Once you tap on your profile icon here, as you can see, there are many options. From here on the very end, you can see a settings and support option. Expand that. Once you expand that, on the very top, you can see settings and privacy. Here you'll have to tap on settings and privacy. Once you have tapped on settings and privacy, on the very first option there is your account followed by security and account access, premium and so on. From here you'll have to tap on your account. Once you tap on your account, tap on the first option that is account information. And here, as you can see, there are all the details about your account here. Tap on the first option that is username, and from here you can change your username into anything you want. If your username is available, then you can see a green tick mark, and once you see the green tick mark, you can tap on done. Just like that, as you can see, my username has been updated. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.